So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to add the ticket to your Apple Wallet. So basically, first you have two options, whether you could add a ticket from your mail directly or just open your Apple Wallet and you will see this page, which is actually under the wallet section. You will see the boarding passes and tickets all in one place. So you will see the get button right there. Once you click on that, you will see find apps for wallet and the scan code. So if you click the scan code, just open your ticket via mail on another device, and then if you find a barcode or just simply a QR code, you could just click on that one and you will going to scan it from this device, or just click the find apps for wallet, and when you scroll it down, so you will see under the concerts, film, and events, and you just have to find the distributor of the ticket and just click on the get, and it will redirect you for you to able to add your ticket to the Apple Wallet. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.